Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Cruizr rotating and sucking automatic masturbator. So let's get started. So this is the Cruizr rotating and sucking automatic masturbator itself. Now this provides wonderful discreet penis stimulation, and it has so many settings and functions that you'll enjoy a thrilling experience. You can use this automatic masturbator as part of your foreplay with your partner, or enjoy an exciting adventure alone. Here are some useful measurements for this automatic masturbator. So, the inner length of the automatic masturbator is 16.5 centimeters, and the inner diameter of the sleeve just here is 4.2 centimeters. This masturbator comes equipped with 10 vibrating and 5 sucking functions, and they're really simple and easy to use. So let's start by turning it on. To turn on this masturbator, you're going to press and hold for 3 seconds on the middle button. There we go, it's already started to go on. Now as you can see, there are 2 other buttons. You can use this one to use for the rotations, and you can use the button right here for the suction. As you can see, this masturbator makes a helical spinning motion and also has a warming function which gives you an even more exciting stimulation. To turn off this automatic masturbator, press and hold for 3 seconds on the on-off button, and as you can see, it's now off. So let's take a look at the sleeve. Remove the cap like so, and it reveals the masturbator sleeve on the inside. It has a realistic vagina opening and is made of a soft, flexible material which has nubs on the inside for a wonderful stimulation during use. When using this vagina sleeve, we recommend to use a water-based lubricant for optimal comfort during use. You can also enjoy a female sultry voice. It's really simple and easy to listen to. It also comes equipped with headphones. You cannot listen to the female voice unless you wear the headphones. The headphone jack is located at the bottom just here, so simply plug in like so, and press and hold on this button here until the light is on. Then you can enjoy the beautiful sounds of the female voice, and it makes an even more intense stimulation for you and an enjoyable experience. To turn off, simply press and hold down again until the light is off. As you can see, also included in this package is a cup holder as well, which is really simple and easy to attach. As you can see, there's a screw right here, and there is a screw at the bottom of this masturbator, so you can enjoy this in countless different positions and locations as well. Simply screw on like so and make sure it's completely tight, otherwise the masturbator has the chance of falling out. Once you can feel it slightly tight, simply pull the little lever at the here all the way to the left, and the suction cup stays in place. It has a really strong suction cup, so you can place this on any flat, smooth surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation. You could even enjoy it in the bath or shower. Now, using the screw just here, simply unscrew very gently, and as you can see, you can enjoy it in any position. Let's try this. Simply screw back into place and it holds. Make sure to completely charge the automatic masturbator before use. Charging time takes approximately 3 hours, and using the USB charging cable provided, the slot is located at the bottom of the masturbator. Gently push the charging cable in like so, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. For more tips and tricks on how to use this automatic masturbator, you can use the QR code located at the back of the packaging here to find out more information. Scan it with your phone and it will take you to the product page. Here you can find out lots of different things. For example, what's included in the package, size and specifications, how to clean and how to use, with lots of pictures and diagrams as well to help you with your experience. Lots of handy information in there. Now that you're finished with your automatic masturbator, it's time to clean. Make sure to clean this after every use. So to start, we're going to take off the cap like so. Next, using the arrow just here, we're going to push the black tab up and gently peel back the plastic glass like so. Next, we're going to remove this blue tab here. Now this is really important. Make sure to twist and pull to the left only, not the right. Like so. Simple and easy. Now let's try and remove the sleeve. This is a really careful process and cannot be done quickly. Make sure you take plenty of time for this. There is a magnet located at the very bottom here. We recommend gently detaching it like so it doesn't reattach itself to the magnet, and it's a much more easier process for you. Once you've detached the magnet, gently release it like so, and the sleeve is removed. So this is all you need to clean, and it's completely safe to clean with toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Don't be afraid, there is nothing electrical. There is only the magnet and the plastic, so it's completely safe to clean. You can alternatively use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. Make sure the sleeve is completely dry before placing back inside the masturbator. This is a really important step. If you feel that perhaps some of the inside of the automatic masturbator might need a bit of cleaning, we recommend using a very slightly damp cloth and gently dab all the way around or wherever you need to go. Please do not fully submerge the automatic masturbator into water, as this can damage the electronics. Now that we've cleaned the sleeve, now it's time to put it all back. Let's show you how. So first step, what we're going to do, you can see there is a black point just here. You're going to make sure you want to put it where the white part is just here. Gently begin to push the sleeve back in, and make sure, of course, to attach it to the magnet. You can use your fingers for this. You'll hear a tiny click. There's the tiny click, and the magnet is locked in. Now you can pay your attention to the top. Gently push it in like so. Once you've heard a little click, it's solid in place. Now time to put our little blue disc back on. A little indication is the little L shape just here, so put the black arrow at the very beginning of the L shape, as you have to twist and pull to push it back in. Now when pushing it back in, very gently pull the silicone sleeve up as well, as this will help to guide it back in. Twist all the way to the right like so, and it returns to the middle. Next and final step is putting the plastic glass back in. So to do this, gently push down and you will hear a click. The tab should be facing down and it's all locked in and clean. Finally, pop the cap back on and it's ready to use again next time. And that is the Cruizr rotating and sucking automatic masturbator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.